So I've got all the electronics in it, and yeah, I made it very simple. The wires that came out of the speed controller, split them up into one for the rear motor and one for the front motor, with some plugs between it, and this is how the original circuit board looks like. This is the on and off switch, unprotected, and yep, that's unprotected too. It's still in the original position there. And look at that. Is that 80s or is that 80s? That is very cool. And I haven't got a clue what it all is. And it actually works too. This is going to be a little noisy. But I'm not going to do anything with it until I sort it out a bodyshell. And I actually like the old bodyshell, but as you can see, there's tears in it and cracks and, well, pieces missing. But it actually looks good. That is a good looking buggy. So what am I going to do? I'm going to cut off some of the rear parts here. This section and this section is going to come off. And then I'm going to reconstruct it using plastic sheet, and then I'm going to sand it down and paint it. So let's start cutting. Bodyshell has been sanded, and I've already started with making a new rear for the Nikko